today after former world number one Saina Nehwal joined the ruling party BJP days ahead of Delhi polls. Well, we have a few colleagues with us today who will discuss about it, about the impact that would create into the sports fraternity as well as the political fraternity. We have somebody with us, Inakshi. Inakshi will talk about it. Inakshi, how do you feel about Saina Nehwal joining politics? She has been so long associated with sports fraternity, but today suddenly she has taken this decision. How will this affect her sports career?
So honestly, I think if a person can balance his or her life, I mean the political life and the sports life, then it should be fine. So I don't care about the political alignment as long as she is performing well. And if you see, the real essence and real purpose of politics is to work towards the betterment of the society. So if an elite athlete can contribute to it, then I think it should be fine.
We will go close to Imtiaz. Imtiaz, tell me about how this is going to impact her qualification dreams for Tokyo. Shall we see Saina competing in Tokyo this year or not?
To be honest, that Saina hasn't played very well in the last 1 year.
Right.
And we have seen a lot of first round exits in the last 14 tournaments that she has played since Indonesia Open 2019. She has won that tournament, but in the last 1 year she hasn't performed well, and going into Tokyo is a very big task for her right now, because if you see the qualification mark to reach Tokyo, you have to be within the top 16 players.
Right.
In badminton.
And with the cutoff dates being in
exactly.
April. Yeah.
And the cutoff dates being in April. So she is nowhere around. She is in, like, her rank has fallen to 18.
Right.
And Olympic standard, if you mark the Olympic standard qualification process, she is number 22 in the world.
Right.
So I don't think she has this in mind that she will have to qualify in the Olympics, and that is why she has joined the political party right now. And it was, to be honest, it was not a surprise for me, because we have seen Saina always doing this politically aligned tweets, and she has taken the favor of the government. Like whatever tweets we have seen, whatever posts she has made, she has supported the government. And I don't think it's her personal choice, but I don't think she won't be able to make it into the Olympics next.
Okay, so Olympics aside, Imtiaz, do you think her joining the BJP will completely bring an end to her sports career? Or maybe that is too early to say.
Yeah, I think it's too early to say that, because mainly she has been roped by the BJP for the upcoming Delhi elections.
Right.
So she will be making her campaigns and all, but I think she will be participating in some of the tournaments going ahead. I don't see her playing much more. I don't see Saina in action much more after this. So let's see. I can't really tell whether she will play or not.
As to what happens in the next few months, especially ahead of Tokyo, only time will tell. But let us hope for the best. Let us hope that Saina Nehwal does her best this year. So, for more sports updates, keep following the Bridge and don't forget to subscribe us.